Hello everyone, this is Andrew from Tech Talk. Today I'm going to be showing you how to check and manage your battery on your Mac. If you have any other questions about your Mac, make sure to check out all of our other videos on Tech Talk. So let's talk about your battery and how to check and manage your life of your battery. Now the battery on my computer, you will notice it has started to go bad, so it's not holding its charge quite the same. I have to keep it plugged in a lot longer than normal. Now what I could do to fix this is I could just change out the battery, and you can see how to do that on our channel as well. So if you're looking to change out your battery, make sure to check out our other video about how to change your battery on your Mac. But right now I'm just going to be showing you how to check the life of your battery and maybe be able to manage it and let your computer last a little bit longer. So the first thing you can do is you can come up here and you can select your battery icon. So right here it says condition replace soon. Again, that's exactly what I was just explaining, that the battery is old and needs to be replaced to be able to hold a stronger charge. This is as charged as the battery will get, 97%. I can't get it back to 100%, but it's telling you that the battery is charged and the power source is my power adapter. I don't have it unplugged right now, again, because it doesn't hold as long of battery. Now, it will also tell you the apps that are using significant energy. So if you notice that your Mac keeps dying on you a lot faster than you want it to, you should check and make sure that there's no apps that are open that are using more energy than you'd like them to. Now you'll notice I have show percentage right here set up, so I can see at the top what percentage my Mac is at. You can deselect that if you'd rather not have that there, but we can also hit Open Energy Saver Preferences. I'm going to show you a different way of finding this. You can go into your System Preferences. You can go System Preferences down here, or you can come up to the Apple and hit System Preferences. You'll notice under System Preferences that we have Energy Saver. So we're going to go here, and you can see that I never have my computer sleeping while it's on its power adapter. Now if I wanted to change it that it would go to sleep after 15 minutes or so on the power adapter, I could change all of that, right? So the computer is not going to go to sleep, however the display sleeps after 1 hour. So if I haven't touched my computer for an hour, the display will go to sleep and I will have to re-log in. Now you can change these preferences how you'd like, and you can even look over at battery and see what your preferences are for the battery to help you maximize your battery on your laptop. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and hit that like button. You can also hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our other videos on Tech Talk. Thanks and have a great day.